Yes, you heard that right. I have a copyright strike on my channel, and that was really scary for me when I got the notification in my mail or in the YouTube dashboard that I got a first copyright strike. If I get two more, my channel would be deleted. So that I was really scared about it because I have been working on this channel for quite long in the last 2 to 3 years, and I have close to 900 plus video. So this is what I have. I really give everything for this channel, putting videos regularly, and if I get something like that, that was really mind devastating things that happened to me in the month of Feb. And the good thing is that after that I haven't got any copyright strike, and tomorrow, like after 3 days, this copyright is going to be removed from my channel. So I thought, let's make a video and let you guys know that I'm really happy that finally this copyright strike is going to be removed from my channel and the channel is going to be clean. And the reason I got the copyright strike because I made a tutorial on a particular software. And the funny thing about this strike is that I made this tutorial in the year of 2021. I got this copyright in the month of Feb. So it's almost 2 years. After 2 years of publishing the video, I got the copyright strike. So when I saw the notification, the first thing came into my mind that really, like, if it's copyright protected, then they have to remove the video like earlier. But right now they are claiming that this is the copyright protected video, and I try to communicate with the YouTube support team, and when I talked to them, they told me that if you got the notification means they have made their valid point. So we're going to remove your video from the channel and you're going to have a one copyright strike, and if you have two more copyright strike on the channel, your channel would be deleted completely. When I talked to the support team and they told me all of these things, after that my mind was not working. I was really confused. So what I did, I tried to contact the team who built this particular extension, and I told them that I didn't know that this particular tool is copyright protected, and they told me that they're going to make three more copyright strike on my channel because I made close to 4 videos around that particular tools. So they said that they're going to make 3 more. So it's better that you should remove the video, and otherwise your channel will be deleted. I waited for a couple of days, like almost two days, and they made the second strike on the channel. Second strike. And the funny thing happened in the second strike that they gave me 7 days window period. If I remove the videos in that 7 days, then I will not have any copyright strike on my channel. But if I keep that video and if the videos get removed by the YouTube, then I'm going to have a second copyright strike on my channel. And that was a really scary part for me. So when I got the notification that I got the second copyright strike on my channel, so what I did, I removed all the videos which I made around that particular tool. So I still have the first copyright strike on the channel, and this strike is going to be expired. So it's the strike was taking place in the February 20 and it's going to be expired in the next 3 days. So that was the entire journey, that how I got my first copyright strike, and that was really scary part for me. And because of that, I have started the other channel like the blockchain coder. So at that point of time my mind was not working at all. So I thought that what other alternatives I have. So I started downloading all the videos which I have on my channels, like the NFT marketplace project. So all those projects, because they told me that if they claim the other 2 strikes, the channel will be deleted and all the videos will be deleted. So I was really scary. So I started downloading all the videos, and I thought that let's wait for a couple of days and let's see that whether they are putting other strikes or not. If they give, then definitely I have no options because they have made the valid claim. So I have to switch the entire videos to my other channel, the blockchain coder. But I'm glad that when I talked to them, their team members, and they told me that they're going to give me the 7 days windows so I can remove the videos and my channel would be fine. So finally I deleted all the videos and now things are good, and finally it's going to be end. The one thing I learned from this, that never promote anything for free. Never promote anything for free. That video got close to 90,000 views on my channel. 90,000. Can you guess that how many users they have got with that particular video? And they put that strike on my channel. So that was the thing I learned, that you should never promote anything. No matter where you work, never do anything for free, because people will take your things granted. So that was the entire story, that how I got my first copyright strike on the channel. And this channel helped me a lot. Like, it gave me visibility in the industry. It helped me to connect with the other developers in the industry. I got tons of freelancing projects, real job offers. That's all because of this channel. So this one is really helpful for me in my career, because all of you know that I come from a non-technical background. I don't have any CS degree. That's all I have to show my work, to show my knowledge through this channel, so people can know that I can do something. They can give me the project, they can give me the job. So this was something really important for me. This channel has a huge impact on my life, like in terms of getting job. And initially I started as a way to improve my communication. So that was the entire funda. If you go and watch my first 100 videos, I used to post videos related to fitness. So I was doing consultancy in the fitness. You will find couple of podcasts there. So that was the entire concept, that I want to speak. I was not good in English, and I still believe that I'm trying to improve my English bit. So I was not good in speaking. So that was the entire thought: improve my communication, convert my words which I have in my head into words. So that was the entire thoughts I have when I started this channel. And that's a part of the journey. I got this strike and it taught me a lot of things. So now, right now, I know that what I have not to do if I really want to product my channel. What clips, what video, what musics I have to use, what I have not to use, so I can keep this channel safe. Before I end this video, the one promise I want to make, that this is the first and the last strike I will have on this channel. No more strike. I will not do any experiment with this channel. Okay, so hope you guys have liked this video, and still I hope you guys are enjoying the project which we are building currently. So we have close to 5 videos already published. The real estate dab project, that one is a really amazing project. Make sure to follow that. That will give you huge learning. Okay, so entire story from my end, that how I got my first strike on the channel, and I'm not going to have any more. So see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.